one day that George liked as much as his birthday. Sauce Day.
Ah, magnifico!
Sauce Day was the first Monday of fall when the chef created a brand new Peschetti sauce.
I call this molto giotto because it has a nice kick to it. Salute, George. I must find Nettie, but you go ahead and eat. Oh, and if it needs a little more salt, just throw it in.
George took a big whiff of Molto Giotto. It smelled like nothing. It didn't taste like anything either. Maybe the sauce needed a little salt, like the chef said. It needed a whole load of salt. But finally, the sauce was perfect.
Behold, mi amore, my best creation so far. Happy Sauce Day!
What's in here?
A little anchovy, a little lemon. Molto revolto! What's happened?
I think you have a cold, Giorgio.
No wonder you could not taste the perfection of my sauce.
I'll take you home. You should be in bed.
Fever, stuffy nose, clammy paws. You're definitely fighting a germ, George. A germ is... hold on. I think there's a picture in this book. Here you go. See that blob? That's a germ. Some germs are good for you, but bad germs can make you sick. Well, that's your body. Your nose, mouth, stomach. Those are your lungs. When you sneeze or cough, that's your lungs squeezing together and trying to force out the bad germs. Enough biology. Time for you to rest.